students, today we are going to do a poem in literature, Foreign Lands, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Take out your Standard 4 New Mulberry book and turn to the poem Foreign Lands. We will do the question and answer, so take out your school copy also. Read these lines and answer the question that follow. 2A. I held the trunk with both my hands and looked abroad on foreign lands. So, these questions are given referring to the context. See here 2A, one question. Who has climbed the tree? What tree is it? 2A1 answer. The young narrator is climbing the tree. It is a cherry tree. Then, question 2A2. What are the foreign lands that can be seen from the top of the tree? 2A2 answer. The young narrator can see the next door garden, the river, the dusty roads and people going into town. Then question 2A3. Are these really foreign lands? Why does the speaker say they are? Question 2A3 answer is, these are not really foreign lands. Then it's asking, why does the speaker say they are? Answer, the narrator thinks these lands are foreign land because he has never seen or been to these places and is not familiar with them. It really becomes a foreign land when the young boy daydreams and wishes to see the sea and fairyland. 2B. If I could find a higher tree, further and further I should see. Why does the child wish to find a higher tree? 2B1 answer. The child wished to find a higher tree because he wanted to see things that are farther away. 2B2. What does the child wish to see from the top of the higher tree? The child wished to see the place where the river meets the sea and the ships. He also wanted to see the road that led to the fairy land. Then 2B3 question. Why do you think the word farther is repeated? Answer 3. Farther is repeated twice to the stress that the child wanted to keep seeing things that are far away. Question 3. Would you like to travel and see foreign lands? What do you like to see? Answer 3. Yes, I would like to travel and see foreign lands. I would like to visit famous monuments and see different flowers and like to meet people speaking different languages. So student, these are your all questions and answers. Okay? And you have to write it down in your school copy. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.